I'm an SAP technical consultant. So far it has been good. Interesting. I've learned something new.
Okay.
Meeting new people as well.
Nice. So you said that you learned something new. So if I would ask you, what are your key takeaways from the workshop? What would they be?
Say it very much reminded me to be more people-centric, to be as a leader is not just all about me, but also it's about other people and how I should prioritize people's, my team members and my colleagues, my friends, over myself. I need to constantly remind myself to be more aware of other people's needs and also what they're going through, and not just thinking about reaching the company goals, but also to put their emotional and mental health in the things that I do as well, to basically to actually care for them in a personal level as well.